this career is really a hidden gem because not most people know about it. As for people who don't know much about wastewater treatment, pretty much what happens is anything that's flushed down the toilet or comes from the sewers or collection system, it's pretty much sent to us. So it'll start going through the entire process, through preliminary, primary, secondary, tertiary, and then finally whatever effluent comes out, it could be used for here, it's one of two purposes: being released back to the creek or being repurposed as reclaimed water. On a daily basis, operators usually will go to their SCADA system and they'll go ahead and look at several trends, data points, chemical usage, dark time alarms. Once they go through that and kind of get their numbers for the day, then they'll actually go and do the physical part of it, which will be called rounds. As far as rounds go, it's usually physical work of checking several things such as level indicators, different types of equipment as far as pump pressure, making sure everything's running properly so that way you don't have any process issues or upsets. It's something that I think about every day when I come to this facility, that I'm here to serve and protect the people and the wildlife to make sure that this process will run as smooth as possible. But like I said, it is so rewarding to be able to see your effects of your efforts and your ownership take place in the process.